Yeah, hello beautiful people. So in today's video I'm going to show you guys how you can send files from your iPhone to your computer effortlessly. All right, let's go into this one. So all you will need to do is to go to the website I'll be showing you right now. I'm gonna put the link in the description. So this is the website www.shareddrop.io. Go to the description to follow up on this video. So once you're in the website, just go ahead and click on got it. And once you do that, you have to go ahead and come over to this part that has the plus icon, and click on the plus icon. Then the next thing you have to do right now is to go over to your iPhone. Okay, so from my iPhone right now, the drop down menu, I'm going to click on my camera icon here. It's going to take me straight to the camera, and I'm going to go ahead and scan this barcode here and click on the link. So it's going to take me to shared drop. All I have to do right now is just to click on here that says sensitive cat, the one above, which is the computer. I just have to click on that and click on photo library. I can actually go ahead and just take a picture actually, or go to my photo library, or I can just go ahead and choose a file. Let's just try photo library. And after that, I'm just going to go ahead and just click on, for instance, this is the video. Let's see if videos will actually send, because pictures would send. People might have a complaint that videos does not send. So let's see it right now. And after you've done that, at the top right corner, you will see where it says add. Just go ahead and add it. Okay, so after, it's gonna preparing to send, because it's actually that's actually a large file of me jogging this morning. Okay, so after our file loads up, which is the MP4 file, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on send on my phone. So from here, automatically it's gonna show up on my PC here right now. It's gonna show me to accept it or decline it. So I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. Okay, let's see. It's receiving the file. It's actually a large file. All right, so as you can see right now, our file automatically downloaded, and if we open it up, it's gonna show us yeah, this is me actually jogging this morning. All right, I'm just gonna close this right now. So how do we send a file from our computer back to our phone? All you need to do is just come over here on our phone and just click on the icon here, and just go ahead and just pick. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead. Okay, from here, okay, I'm just gonna send this one and send. And from my phone, you can see it's saying accept or decline. I'm just gonna go ahead and save it. Uh, yeah, I'm just gonna download that. Okay, so from here, these are my download. Okay, yeah, you can see actually now the file is going to download, and it's going to go over. It's going to go into my file, which is here. You can see it there. I made another video on how to send from your iPhone to your computer, and that one is kind of safer to use, because it's just your IP address that you'll be using. Check out the video at the top of this one right now. I'm gonna put a link just at top, or you can check on the description to check out that video that I made. Okay guys, if you find this video helpful, go ahead, give this video a like, subscribe to the channel to see more of my content, and peace out.